Hi guys, I'm up in El Chaparral. Come to have a look at a really nice villa actually. And we're just around the corner from a load of bars and shops and restaurants. Good sized villa this. As you can see, driveway access down to a garage, as well as large gate. Now, as you enter into the property, you've got the single pedestrian gate, leads you out onto a large terrace. Low maintenance garden, a couple of palm trees, and then obviously you've got the driveway which leads down to the garage. That there is a bedroom, so there's a bedroom with its own balcony. This is great. I'm cruising towards 30 degrees today. I'll take you into the house and I'll show you the pool. So you lead into large open plan modern kitchen, and then you've got the living room. The gas fire that's there uses bottle gas. That's the stairs down to the underbuild. I'll do that shortly. On this level, you have a master bedroom, which has an ensuite. And there's fitted wardrobes on this one, and patio doors out to the terrace by the pool. Have a second bedroom which has got doors out onto the terrace as well. Bit of uniqueness. You have a separate walk-in closet, and then you've got a third bedroom, which is where I showed you out onto the balcony from outside. I'll take you down to the underbuild. So on the D's, this will be classed as 3 bed, 2 bath. Obviously, anything in an underbuild here in Spain typically be classed as sótano, basement storage, but it's not unusual. This has been declared to the town hall, so all the taxes are paid and everything else. So you've got 1 bedroom here, air conditioned. It's air conditioned upstairs as well, and you've got windows to give additional ventilation. That's the doorway into the garage. And then in here you have another bathroom. I mean, this could be a bedroom, but this would be a big bedroom. This is a games room. Well, the property is being marketed as part finished. Certain items will be by negotiation, such as the pool table etc. Been marketed for €279,950. Day like today, that is so inviting. We're expecting to hit close to mid-30s, mid to high 30s this weekend. And here you've got a slightly raised terrace. There's the two doors for the bedrooms, and as you can see, you've got a tall door so you can draw it across to give you a little bit of shade.